Hello friends, in this video I am going to do unboxing and review of Feiyutech Vimble 2A. This is 3-axis gimbal stabilizer. It is specially made for GoPro Hero 5, 6, 7 and 8 version. It comes with nice packaging. Box looks very simple. Let's open the box. Box comes with very nice carrying bag. This case is very handy while traveling. Box comes with user manual which has complete instruction. Fiber cloth, tripod, wrist strap, USB Type-C cable. It also comes with optional adapter to hold action camera. The original adapter works with GoPro Hero 7, 6 and 5, but additional adapter works with GoPro Hero 8, DJI Osmo action camera, YI cam and SJ cam camera. I also tried this gimbal with the F-Man action camera and it works great for me. 3-axis locks design ensure the stability of this gimbal. This is the quick mode switching button. On-off button is at middle. This is the USB charging port. This is horizontal adjust button. You can also take picture and start shooting with this button. Joystick is one of my favorite. It moves the camera 360-degree angle. Vimble 2A is considered as the lightest action camera gimbal on the market as it is super lightweight. The rod is extendable up to 18 cm. feiyu on app supports time-lapse photography, joystick, adjustment, working mode, switching mode, etc. You can also learn gimbal functionality with feiyu on app. Let me show you how to connect GoPro Hero 8 with Feiyutech Vimble 2A. Power on GoPro camera and choose 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Enable Wi-Fi connection. Now open the GoPro app on your smartphone. Connect the Bluetooth. Again go to GoPro camera and record the Wi-Fi password. Now open the feiyu on app on your smartphone. In this app, choose the GoPro camera and enter your Wi-Fi password to connect it. Then click on confirm. Now your GoPro Hero 8 is ready to use with Feiyutech Vimble 2A. Let me show you how it works. Incline the handle left or right 70 degrees to enter portrait mode. I am walking in the park with Vimble 2A. Let me show you the footage. Look at the stabilization. Video shoot is perfect while walking. This is the another nice view with this gimbal. Vimble 2A is equipped with 1300 mAh battery which lasts for 10 hours. Through the Wi-Fi connection of camera, it is much easier for shooting, recording and time-lapse. This is one of my favorite shots. It supports switching between landscape mode and portrait mode. Feiyutech Vimble 2A can remember GoPro password. Gimbal will connect with camera automatically after they turn on. The design of gimbal handle is comfortable, labor saving, reducing the stress to a large extent. It is suitable for diverse shooting requirements, for example daily vlog, TikTok creation, YouTube videos, etc. Horizontal adjust button can control roll axis and make more creative footage. This gimbal is perfect to rotate your action camera 360 degrees. From fast-moving action like sports to vlogs and interviews to documentaries and independent features, you can also be professional photographer. Several modes allows you to shoot smooth shots even while going to extreme like running up and down and cycling outdoors. High performance 3-axis motor realize axis overlap and low angle shoot like a breeze. With the design of gimbal, 3-axis variable speed adaptation is extremely sensitive to hand movements. So far I love this gimbal. It is very useful if you are using action camera for shooting or photography. If you are interested, buying link is in description. Thank you for watching and see you next time.